welcome to Red Kitchen. Today we're going to be making a fish fry. The ingredients for the fish fry are obviously fish because it's a fish fry. We need like half a kilogram and also I also need half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Then also 2 tablespoons of salt, 3 tablespoons of chili powder, some curry leaves, and 1 lime or lemon. So let's get into it. I am going to squeeze the lemon into this bowl, and then I am going to put every ingredient except the fish into the bowl. So then let's just take the lemon. I'm so excited to squeeze the lemon. It's so fun. So just squeeze it tight. I don't want it to escape. So I'm just going to make it into like a little liquid. It looks like a little tea of sauce. So now I'm going to put the salt inside. So just add it. I just add it slowly so it doesn't just splash out. Okay, I'll also just use my hand to pull it out as well because some of it can get stuck because it gets naughty sometimes. And then also I'm going to put the chili powder in. So just take out all the ones that are being naughty and being Spider-Man and hanging out. So just take that out and perfect. I have made a paste out of all of my little powders. Now I'm going to put it on the fish so it gets filled with masala. And by the way, I don't think it's toothpaste. It's just a regular paste of the food paste. So I'm just going to take a lot of masala so that it becomes nice. It will be spicy and nice. I like my food spicy sometimes. Like only my food, not my chocolate. So I just like to do that. Look how it looks. It looks really nice. So it looks fully red. Now I'm going to actually fry the fish. So I'm going to first put the oil inside. So I'm going to add all of the oil. Nice. Just add it in. Not a single drop remaining. And now I'm going to switch on the oven, the fryer or the induction, if that's what you want to call it. And now I'm going to put the curry leaves inside. Okay, good. Now I'm going to put my fish inside because no one wants to eat cold fish. So I'm just going to drop it inside so I don't burn my fingers. I can only put 2 inside because my induction or pan is not that big to hold all 3 of them. So now it looks like that. I'm going to wait for it to cook for some time and I'll be back after that. I've cooked one side of the fish for 3 minutes. Now I'm going to cook the other side of the fish for another 3 minutes. I have also cooked the other side of the fish. Now let me taste it. So